Okay, so I'm going to work on this today. That's okay. The problem is that it's not changing from auto to manual. So I'll show you what I mean. So you can put it to drive and it will go on drive, no problem. But if you put it on the manual setting, it doesn't go on the numbers 1 to 5. So I'm doing that now. It's not doing it. So it's not going on the Tiptronic settings. So yeah, so it's supposed to, when you switch it over to the manual mode, you should be able to change it up and down with the gears. Unfortunately, it's not changing from the auto setting to the manual setting, as you can see there. So that should be changing from the auto setting to the manual setting when I flick it over. So see there, when I flick it over, it should change to the manual setting. It's not doing that. So I've got to replace this whole thing here. So let's go do it. So I bought a second-hand one here. So I'm going to replace that basically. So here we go. Right, let's switch this off. Put it in neutral. Get rid of these things over here, and they should come off. Right, okay. Well, that came off quite easily. Right, so first things first is we need to pull this thing off, this handle. So let me just put my phone where it can record it. It's not going to be very good. Alright, let's put it like that. Okay, so I'll pull this lever out and hopefully give it a tug. That's it worked. Right. Oh, that's gonna be supposed to pull. Right. Give it a tug. Oh. Doesn't want to come off, does it? Oh, that does not want to come out. That does not want to come out. Let's see. Okay. Oh, there we go. So, basically you need to push this down, this collar down, before you can lift off this knob. So we've done that, and we shall remove this connector here. Nope, that needs to be removed from the other side. So let's remove this cover. Right, let's just disconnect it from the window switch here. Right. Okay, so we're going to be replacing this. So we are going to disconnect that one. Oops. Okay, so then I would be removing this connector. Come on. A bit difficult doing this one-handed, but hopefully. Oh, come on. Right. Is there any screw securing it? Nope. So it's just basically lift up. Right. So we have lifted it up, and we are going to remove it. Here. Oops. Right. So remove this connector. Doesn't want to come off, does it? What? Yeah. There. Why didn't it want to come off in the first place? Right, so we're just going to put this replacement one in. Ideally, I'd like to clean it, but I haven't got anything to clean it with. But well, let's just put it back. Okay. And yeah, it should just slot into place. Okay. Now this one. Where did this come off? Okay. Right. Right. I think, do we need to take this thing off first? Yeah. Okay. Right. So. Okay. Put this one back on. And this one. Yeah. Okay. Come on. Okay. Okay, now let's put this one back in before we test it. Oh, don't forget to connect this window switch. Place everything back. Okay, now let's have a look where we are. Put it back to neutral, start it up. Okay, so from park, put it to drive and put it to the left, and there we go. We've got the gear again, so that's good. All right, I'm gonna just take it round the block and see if it actually works. Right. Oh, forgot the right. 2. Fast enough for me. 3. Yeah, I'm not going fast enough, so 2 again. Looks like it's working fine. Goes back down to 1 all by itself. It's just waiting for someone to park up, and he doesn't know how to park. Come on, fella. So it's changing manually. Another car. This place is just too... That's fine. That solved it. That was a simple and quick and easy job to do. Right, that's it. So back onto auto and park, reverse, neutral, drive. Oh, where am I? 4, 3, 2, and onto manual. Yep. Yeah, obviously we're not moving, so it's staying on 1. So okay, yeah, so that's good. Done.